channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to sell cryptocurrency using Samsung Wallet in 2025. The first thing you need to do is launch the app on your Samsung device. Then you tap on crypto from the home screen. Next, you have to choose the crypto you want to sell. It could be Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, you're going to click the sell button next to your selected crypto. Then you type the amount you want to sell or select sell all if you want to sell everything. Next, you have to check the exchange rate, fees, and total payout. You see it in the transaction details. Next, select your linked bank account or card for the funds. That is the payout method. You have to choose the payout method. Next, you have to authenticate, that is verify with your fingerprint, PIN, or Samsung Pass. And lastly, you tap on confirm to finalize. You will see a receipt. So please check the receipt or the confirmation in history. Ensure your Samsung Wallet app is updated to the latest version for all these features. Hope you found this video helpful.